This right here is the Sony XM6. Let's jump right in. Starting off with the design, the XM6 continues to embrace sophisticated minimalism. Let's take a look at the carrying case for instance. It has a refreshed design that feels solid and well constructed, wrapped in a premium fabric exterior that resists scuffs and light moisture, while the magnetic clasp makes it easy to store or take out the headphones on the go. As for the headphone, it features a matte finish, thicker and softer pleather ear cups that conform better to the shape of your ears, and a slightly wider headband that distributes pressure more evenly, especially for those with larger heads or longer hair. The ear cups also offer ample depth, preventing your ears from pressing against the interior padding, resolving a comfort issue some users experienced with the XM5. The XM6 still retains Sony's gesture-based touch controls on the right ear cup with excellent responsiveness. Swiping up or down for volume and forward or back for tracks feels fluid and intuitive. Physical buttons are reserved for power and ANC mode, both of which are tactile and easy to locate without looking. Comfort-wise, the XM6 offers a well-balanced fit. The clamping force is gentle but secure, tight enough to seal in the audio and block out the noise, but never overbearing. I found these headphones to stay in place even during my workouts, although they don't have an official IP rating. I have been sweating with them on and so far so good. Now let's talk about the sound. The XM6 doesn't just block noise, it delivers music with the kind of precision and richness you'd expect from a wired studio gear. Thanks to its 40mm liquid crystal polymer drivers and support for LDAC and high-res audio, every note feels intentional. Bass is punchy but never muddy, mids are clear and textured, and treble dances delicately without sibilance. Noise cancellation is great here. Sony's new adaptive NC optimizer delivers excellent noise cancelling precision, adjusting to external noise, air pressure, and your wearing style, even while wearing a hat or glasses. With processing speed 7 times faster than the XM5, the HD noise cancelling processor QN3 fine-tunes 12 microphones in real time for better noise cancellation, sound quality, and call clarity. I found myself wearing these with glasses on, and I must say the noise cancellation does live up to the hype. I was wearing these while driving with a semi-truck right next to me, and with just the noise cancellation turned on with no music playing in the background, it made that truck sound like a small car passing by, barely able to hear it. So great noise cancellation indeed. Where the XM6 shines the brightest is in transparency mode, aka ambient sound mode. The XM6 offers one of the most natural and customizable transparency experiences. To put it simply, it sounds like you don't have a headphone on when you do actually have the headphone on. People talking nearby sound clear and true to life. I was easily able to identify the direction of where the sounds were coming from, and ambient sound blends well with music if you choose to keep it on while listening. Now, this might be my favorite feature of the XM6, which is having ambient sound mode enabled alongside with the new background music listening mode. Now I can enjoy music while staying fully aware of my surroundings. The music sounds like you're in a gym and you're listening to music from like the ceiling speakers, or you're at a store and they have music playing out in the distance. That's the kind of audio experience you will experience with this new sound mode. There's also cinema mode, which is alright. I don't use it as much, at least for music. It kind of makes it sound muddy, but it utilizes 360 reality audio upmix technology to convert 2-channel stereo sound from movies and streaming content into a surround sound experience. So for that, it's pretty cool. Now let's talk about the battery life. The XM6 is rated to last up to 30 hours of music playback, with up to 3 hours of music playback using 3 minutes quick charge. In my use, the headphone lasted up to 30 hours and 42 minutes with around 19% battery life remaining. During this, I had the noise cancellation on for a while, then I switched over to ambient sound mode, and then I also used it with ambient sound control completely turned off. So yeah, it's definitely a long-lasting battery that will get you through a couple of flights without needing to recharge. Overall, the Sony XM6 isn't just a refresh, it's a confident, thoughtful refinement. It brings back features we missed like folding, it refines ANC and sound quality, and it delivers a headphone experience that feels both premium and personal. So whether you're an audiophile or remote worker or just someone looking to escape the chaos of daily life, the XM6 might be for you. What's going on right now? You're listening to the mic quality of the Sony XM6. Now, this headphone is also comfortable. I like the ear cuffs. This has more clamping force than the XM4, but it could be just because that it's newer, but this one definitely stays in place more when I'm doing activities, but soft ear cups on this as well. But yeah, this right here was the mic test of the XM6.